And it goes like this. We'll get in your car and you'll need to kiss me. We'll talk for hours and lie on the backseat.
So firstly, for my CTP project, my trainer was Rupa ma'am.
Okay.
So like right from the start, she was guiding me, and the classes, the sessions which we had every weekend, we have sessions. So like how she explained, right, how a UX works and how important is UX. Like if you want to develop anything like an app or a product or this thing, website or something. For any first thing is you need to understand you need to find out what is the problem before coming to the solution part. So then you need to do a research, and since UX is basically about user, it's a user centric thing. So you need to understand the user, like what they want, what they on daily basis, what problems they are facing, and what solutions they are looking at.
Right.
So first you need to understand that. Then with that, with the help of UX research, then you need to come up with your UI, final UI part.
Tonight when everything changes, you won't reply, I'll go back.
So basically I was actually looking, frankly speaking, I was looking for some growth. Since I'm a video editor, I also do graphic designing as well.
Okay.
So I wanted a field where I'm still in a designing part.
Right.
I shouldn't be away from that creative part. So I was researching. So I thought, okay, UI UX is something where I can like explore my creativity also, and develop something.
Right.
That's the sole reason.
To strangers.
So in the portfolio session, yeah, the sessions are going very good. Shubhankar is very helpful actually. So he goes into detail and he'll explain like what mistakes we are doing, like how we need to design the website. So currently, yeah, it's quite helpful and it's going good.
To strangers.
Thought process for if I know, as a graphic designer, we used to get a brief and we need to just create whether it may be a poster or a cover design or something, etc. etc.
Right.
But when it comes to UI UX, when we get this topic or something, research like what a user wants, what he's thinking, like if it's a basic app also, what all he wants it to be very easy for him to access. So after actually taking up this course, in the initial sessions there I got to know that like whatever we see, like if it's an abstract or something, so everything there is a logic behind it, like any design what we see.
Right.
Yeah, so you need to look at in that point of view.
To strangers.
Skill is like these days it's very important. You just can't have one thing and you think you can climb up the ladder in your career. You need to keep on upskilling yourself. So if they can upskill, if like for me, I'm a video editor. Since I'm a media student, so it was my passion. But somewhere online, I was not happy with how my career was shaping up and the opportunities I was getting. So I was thinking, okay, I need to upskill myself now. It's not like I know only video editing and graphic designing. I just can't be the thing. I need to know what's currently is there in the market.
Right.
Yeah, so according to that, I think you need to upskill.
To strangers.
It's actually overwhelming and it's wonderful actually, because I'm learning so much. So I know this would definitely help me in my future endeavors.
To strangers.